Home point updated.
Hello from Poros, guys, and let's fly our drone now to see what we have. So I'm gonna show you Oceania now. And here we are, guys, and let me show you now Oceania from the drone view. As you see, it needs a little bit of refreshing and be ready for the best adventures, guys. Here we are in Poros, where we keep it, and I stay here on the boat, and very soon you're gonna see this beauty getting into action. Is it just me, or it's the most beautiful boat? Let's take a very big shot now from the from Poros.
Unavailable. Fly with caution.
There you go, guys.
Max altitude reached.
And that's it. Let's bring it back. And more information, guys, about the Mediterranean Masterclass I'm gonna tell you very soon, most likely tomorrow. And January, end of January is the first trip. You're gonna see the dates, exact dates in the calendar, and we will start our adventure together. There you go. He's coming. Success.